Welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the different job opportunities available in one of the multinational company. And friend, the company name is Honeywell, and they are having job opportunities for all the engineering branches, and the job opportunities available across all India location. So friend, please watch the video complete so that you can know the what types of job openings, what are the job eligibility requirements, and how you have to apply. So, friend, it is a technology company, and they are involved in the various business segments. Like you can see, they are involved in the aerospace industry, building technologies, and they are also performance materials and technologies in which they are pioneered automation control, and they understand the complex industrial facilities and how to create a high quality and high performance chemical and materials. And friend, they are also involved in the business of the safety and productivity solutions. So, friend, it is a very good opportunity for you to get the job in Honeywell Company. So, friend, let's check what types of job opportunities they are having. So, here you can see we are at the official career page of the Honeywell Company, and friend, below you can see multiple job openings are given. So, on the left hand side, you can see the various types of filters are given so that you can easily find the job opportunity according to your interest area and your nearest city. So, you can select your state, country, category, job type, experience, and location so that you can find the job easily. So, friend, you can see here multiple job opportunities are given. Like you can see Sparta Associate Support Engineer, then you can see Software Engineer, Charity Sales Manager, Sparta Senior Product Manager. Similarly, you can see multiple job opportunities are given, and friend, you can explore the various pages are given so that you can find the more job opportunities. So, friend, we have found out the some of the job opportunities. So, let's check it. So, friend, the first job opportunity is a Sparta Quality Engineer, which is for the you can see Mumbai, Maharashtra location. And friend, you can see the key responsibilities are given like you can see here. You have to develop and publish and implement test plans. You have to write and maintain test automation. You have to develop quality assurance standard, track quality assurance metrics, participate in the projects, and also you have to deploy software engineering tools and process. And you can see here what types of qualification required for this job. That is a bachelor's degree in engineering or similar field, and you have the experience of between 3 to 5 years. And friend, you can see some of the competencies which you have to know. Like you can see you are experienced in coding, you have to working knowledge of quality assurance step methodologies, basic knowledge of theory and principles. Then you can see ability to find the correct balance between demand and capacity. You should have a very strong analytical skills and understand cloud infrastructure and some relevant experience. So from this type of requirement is given, so let's move for the next job opportunity, which is a test manufacturing engineer. And when this job opportunity is for the Pune, Maharashtra location, you can see here, and the job is in supply chain and procurement department. So you can see here the you can see what types of knowledge you should have. You can see you should have an in-depth knowledge of manufacturing process of electronics or electromechanical products, ICT process, basic ICT. Then you can see flying probe test techniques and test procedures, reliability tests, hand-on experience, knowledge related with the soldering process. Then you can see porting process, ability to provide the alternate methods, also the test solutions. In case of failure of test equipment machines, you have to also provide the root cause analysis, failure analysis, component engineering, ECN process knowledge, and also validation and phase in phase out process. So this type of process you should know. And friend, also you can see here some skills you should have, like you should have a very sound knowledge in electronic instrumentation and electrical fundamentals, digital and analog electronics, microprocessor, you can see controller, ADC, DAC, then OP amplifier, etc. And friend, also you have the sound knowledge in GPIB, LXI, PXI serials, and knowledge on test instruments from NI, VXI, VTI. So you should know the debugging skills of test software sources, which is a code written in LabVIEW, C, C++. And friend, you can see also you should have the very mechanical engineering basic knowledge, understanding of mechanical drawing, circuit schematics, electric diagrams, compression pneumatic knowledge about the process and chemicals. And you should have the know the HSC, Kaizen, and Pokayoke techniques, ISO 9001. So this type of requirement is given, and you can see what types of soft skills required. That is, you should have a very good verbal and written communication skills. You should have a very good presentation skills, and also you should be fluent in English and local languages. And you should have the hands-on experience in SAP ERP system. You should know the Six Sigma, CP, CPK, Pareto analysis, statistical techniques, etc. So this type of requirement is given. And you can see B take degree in electronic and electronic and telecommunication instrumentation branches are eligible. So friend, before going to check the next job opportunity, if you have not subscribed mechanical stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the job related videos, free certification related videos for you. So please subscribe. It will motivate us to create more videos for you. And friend, also if you subscribe, you will get the video notification so that you can apply for the job as soon as possible. So friend, let's check the last job opportunity, which is a channel sales representative. And friend, it is again for the Maharashtra location and in Mumbai. And you can see the opening is in sales marketing and sales support department. And again, you can see a key responsibilities are given, like you can see you have to identify business opportunity by identifying prospects and evaluating their position in industry. You have to conduct dealer distribution meet and workshop training or to present product respective account. You should have a workout experience with the specific specifiers like distributor, retailers, dealers, ability to appoint new channel partner in assigned territory, ensure adherence to agreed commercial requirements. You have to expand the relationship with existing customer by continuously proposing solutions, meet new customer and expand customer base. You have to identify new and innovative ways to improve the market share. And friend, also you can see the some points are given, like you have to develop a understanding of the customer application and requirements and be able to suggest suitable solution to them. You have to also carry out detailed analysis of the completion and define features benefits to handle the sales. You have to carry out road shows, trade events to improve the product visibility. Also, you have to increase the share of revenue partners by increasing their solutions offering by training and joint customer visitation. And friend, you can see you should have the bachelor's degree or equivalent, and some experience in the field is required. So if you are the fresher, then you can also apply for the job opportunity. And friend, let's check how you have to apply. For applying, friend, you have to simply click on this apply now button for any job in which you want to apply. And once you click, then this type of window will open. So you can see here two options are given. Either you can create your profile and apply, or you can apply as a guest, in which you did not require to create your profile. You can directly apply. So we are going to through apply as a guest. So once you click, then this type of page will open. You can see a small application form is given. You have to provide your email address. You have to provide contact information. Then you have to upload your resume. You have to provide your address details, your work history, and then you have to provide your educational, like your school, your degree, and what is the branch of your degree. So you have to provide here. And also if you are having any certification, you can add here so that your application becomes stronger. And after that, you have to provide some questions related to the you can see here, related to the Honeywell, and some general question. And at the end, you have to review your job application so that there is no mistakes. And after that, you have to click on this next, and you have to complete the application form, and at the end you have to submit it. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, please comment in the video. Also, if you are searching for any job opportunity which is not listed in this video, then please comment so that we can work on it and make a channel for this particular job opening. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.